Miss Erica. We are talking about gift wrapping. Not just any gift wrapping. We are talking about brown paper packages tied up in string. This really is one of my favorite things. I know, it's just like the song says. I absolutely love packages that are wrapped in brown paper. It's very clean and simple, and it kind of has like a retro, I don't know, old world kind of look to it. It is a blank canvas, so you really have space to be creative if you want to up your gift wrapping game a couple of notches. And that's what I want to share with you guys today, a few ideas for taking blank wrapping paper and kicking it up a few notches. The main thing to adding some wow factor to your gift wrapping is to tap into more than one of the 5 senses. Obviously, you want to tap into the sense of sight. You want your gift to be pleasing to the eye, pretty to look at, but if you can tap into one of the other senses, whether it's smell, taste, touch, even sound, wow factor has been up. A way that you can tap into the sense of touch by adding texture to your packaging. These things right here, pom-poms. Very inexpensive. You can get these at any major craft store. They come in just about every color imaginable in the rainbow. One very easy thing that you can do with pom-poms is something like this. Taking a glue gun, pom-poms, and putting them all over your packaging. Whoever receives this gift, they're going to receive it with a smile on the face because this just looks really joyous and happy. You can also actually use pom-poms to make pictures on your gifts. I just took some green pom-poms. I traced out triangle for a Christmas tree, filled it in with green pom-poms, put a little paper bow on top, and I actually got some little twigs from the yard and glued them for the stem. I have a question for you guys. I'm curious to know, and if you can tell me in the comments, what is your gift wrapping strategy during the holidays? Are you a gradual wrapper? Like as you get gifts, do you go ahead and wrap them and stick them under the tree? Or are you like me, where I kind of get all the gifts and I hoard them all in one place, and then I wrap them all Christmas Eve, and I'm usually up till 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So the next idea I have is tapping into the sense of smell and taste. Something like this. And this looks all kind of fancy, but I'm just going to break it down for you. This is just a cutout of a snowflake. You can look on the internet just for like a snowflake pattern, print it, cut it out. You could even get old school and you fold the paper and cut the little triangles in, and they would make this, you know, snowflake. Mine never came out that good. But I just took a cutout of a snowflake and tied some cinnamon sticks with a red ribbon and just adhered it to the gift. Another variation, still with the snowflake and your ribbon, you can attach like a food item. I just attached a candy cane here. You know, you can put a couple of home-baked cookies or a couple of pieces of fudge or candy wrapped up. You know, you could also attach tiny little bells, you know, those little bells that sound like sleigh bells, to your ribbon. When you give somebody the package, you know, when they shake it or when they're taking it around, you know, it'll sound like sleigh bells. So another idea. I am a big fan of recycling and upcycling and kind of using things that you already have. Periodically, I have to go through Christmas cards that I have collected over the years. I do have to go through and sort them and put some out for recycling because unfortunately I can't keep them all forever. But what I'll do is when I'm going through them, I'll find some where the cover kind of catches my eye. Maybe it's a really cool picture or graphic or just something that I think, hey, I want to hold on to that. So I'll cut the cover and keep it. And something really simple that you can do with old Christmas cards, like something like this. I love this cover with Santa Claus holding the candy cane, so I held on to it. Just to add a little extra texture, I just tied a little bow and hot glued it to the candy cane just to give it a little extra dimension. Usually around the holidays, we start pulling out the Christmas stuff and we find wrapping paper. And a lot of times we may have scraps laying around that are, you know, too small or too awkward to use to wrap another gift. Why we keep them, I don't know. I do the same thing. What you can do is take, you know, old wrapping paper scraps or a scrapbooking paper that has like festive designs, cut really simple shapes from them, and you can create something like this. Very simple. This was just made from some scrap paper that I had. I cut little circles, well they're not little, but I cut circles out of them and adhered them to my package. Took a Sharpie and, you know, drew the line and the little thing on top to make it look like hanging ornaments. And I had a little extra space down here, so I just wrote fa la 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 la. It's not a weapon, it's actually the big roll of craft paper or butcher paper, brown paper, whatever you want to call it. You can find this at any major craft store. It's very inexpensive. Of course, every major craft store has an app that you can download on your phone that has instant coupons, so you can save even more money. Merry Christmas to you. So if you like the video, like the ideas, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. I am my own camera woman today. I have to turn off my own Facebook Live video. So thank you guys so much. Have a great week.